Female condoms. Female condoms or internal condoms are worn inside the vagina. Male condoms or external condoms are worn on the outside of the penis. Female condoms are an alternative to male condoms as a barrier method for safe sex and contraception. They are worn during vaginal sex to prevent semen getting to the uterus. Condoms are the only contraception that prevent both pregnancy and sexually transmitted infections. The female condom is a thin, soft nitrile pouch which you put in the vagina before sex. It is 17 centimeters long and has 2 flexible rings, one at each end. Outer ring is open and stays outside the vagina. Inner ring is closed and rests inside the vagina. Just like the male condom, each female condom should only be used once. You should use a new one each time you have sex. Advantages. It is a safe, short-term method of contraception. It protects against sexually transmitted infections. It can be used by people who are allergic or sensitive to latex condoms. Disadvantages. Some women find it difficult to insert and remove. It's not as widely available as the male condom. It's more expensive than the male condom. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.